This is the Spine Twist Supine with a modification. So for the Spine Twist Supine, we're going to bring our heels up. So keeping your heels lifted throughout the exercise, and our toes are down on the mat, pressing evenly through all 10 toes. We're going to bring our arms out to a T. So check your arms that they're not too high or too low, but they're just right in line with your shoulders. And right here, you're already working. You have a dynamic feel from fingertip to fingertip. So I'm going to inhale, rotate my waist to the side. My left foot is going to pick up off of the mat. And then I exhale, use my breath, my obliques, my abdominals to come back to center, leaving my heels lifted. Now I'm going to go to the other side. Inhale, rotating at the waist. And right here, this top leg, we want to reach it up from the hip. Kind of think that you're trying to keep your knees in line. This part is just a little bit more challenging, but it's really beneficial. Exhale, use your breath to come back. Good. Inhale, reaching to the side. Rotating at the waist, keeping my upper body as stable as possible. Returning back to the mat to center. Inhale, rotating at the waist. And I'm keeping my opposite shoulder grounded. Using the breath to come back. Inhale, rotating at the waist, reaching that top hip up. And exhale, come back down. Inhale to the other side, reaching up that hip. And exhale, come to the center. Tune in with your upper body that it's staying grounded and you still have that dynamic feel from fingertip to fingertip. One more set. Keeping your feet together. Last one. Moving in a controlled movement. And that is Spine Twist Supine.